Hi guys, so let's make a Pangas fish curry today. So let's start with the fry onion, tomato and masala. Fry well. After that let's fry fish for some time. Then after that let's overturn it so that both sides will be fried well. After that I'm going to add the water and cook. Look at this, it's so yummy. It's looking so tasty. Let it cook well and do not stir. If you stir, it's really soft. It will be broken the pieces. So water is almost dry. I have put almost 20 to 30 minutes. So I'm adding the coriander and garlic paste. After that, cover for some times. Let it cook well. I'm cooking in low flame right now. So fish curry is cooking finished, so ready to serve. If you like the recipe, please share and subscribe and like and give the comments below. And thanks for watching. Bye.